guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prin. Today I am reviewing two makeup items from Parul Garg Beauty. If you already do not know, Parul Garg is India's leading makeup artist. She's very viral on social media mainly for two reasons. Number one, she actually does really good makeup, and number two, some of her content is really rage beauty. Today we are doing a deep dive on the performance of her beauty products, so let's find out. Parul Garg's makeup brand is known as Parul Garg Beauty. It is available on Nykaa. Now she has a range of products in her brand. I saw body shimmers, pressed powder. I even saw hair oil, bindi, liquid sindoor, powder sindoor, kajals, eyeliners, different type of lip products, whatnot. So I was very intrigued. Now I picked up two items. I got the Parul Garg Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is the Bold Matte Kajal. First we'll talk about the lipstick and then we will move on to the kajal. So this is the Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick. It is a 3 ml product. You have 14 shades in this range and it retails for rupees 595. I have noticed that Parul Garg always runs amazing discounts. When I bought it, I got it for 25% off. Now coming to the packaging of this lipstick, it has a transparent bottle and a golden colored cap. The shade is mentioned in the bottom below. Overall, the look and finish of this liquid lipstick is very Indian and festive, and it is very small and compact, so you can travel easily with it. The applicator is a flat tip wand, so it is very easy to apply on your lips, and it gives a very nice, even, precise application. Also, if you want to reach your corner of the lips, there is going to be no hassle. Now the shade range is very inclusive. You have browns, pinks, nudes, peaches, mauves, some coral tones, some beautiful reds, wine shades. So it's a very inclusive and Indian audience catered color palette. I am wearing this lipstick today and it is a proper matte liquid lipstick. It has vitamin E infused in it. It is absolutely smudge proof, kiss proof, transfer proof like any other matte liquid lipsticks. No transfer at all. This lipstick has an intense color payoff. When you will apply it, you will realize that it gives you that 1-5 bold pigmentation, and it feels very light on the lips. You do not feel that you are wearing something very heavy or something is sitting on the top layer of your lips. It feels very comfortable, perfect for wearing all day long. So it is a very good option for long day events or if you have an important function, because this is very long lasting. This is water resistant, so if you are drinking something, this will not vanish away. Also, it is not one of those liquid lipsticks which disappear from the middle portion of your lips when you are eating. So even if you're eating something super oily, it is going to stay strong on your lips because the pigment is very rich. To sum up, this is a very good quality liquid lipstick in a budget category. It can last all day long. The texture is very thin, so it feels ultra comfortable on the lips for the whole day. It is smudge proof, it is transfer proof. The pigmentation is so rich, the color payoff is intense. The shade range is wide and suitable for different type of Indian skin tones. Although matte formula, this will not settle in the cracks of your lips, nor will it enhance the dry and chappiness of your lips. It gives a very blurred and smooth looking even tone lips. So I am going to rate this a 9.5 out of 10. Up next is the Bold Define Matte Kajal. This is available in 6 shades. Each pencil is of 9 grams. It's a twist up pencil, so no problem of sharpening. You do not need to carry a sharpener. Also, no product wastage at all. You will get one swipe color payoff, intense pigmentation without any effort. The kajal also has a very smooth texture, so it glides like butter. No feeling of tugginess or dryness. This is also transfer proof and super long lasting. It is smudge proof as well. It is also not one of those kajals which are long lasting but tend to fade after wearing it for some time. Now the brand claims that this can last up to 12 hours, and I have done the wear test. Let me quickly take you guys through that. So it's 10:30 at the moment. I have just applied the kajal and I have a long day ahead of me. I have a flight to catch. I need to fly to a different country altogether. So yeah, a lot of things that need to be done. So I thought that today is the perfect day when we should be testing this kajal. I will be giving a timely check-in so we can exactly track how it is performing, whether it is bleeding or not, whether it is fading or not. So this is just freshly applied at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Here's my second check-in at 1:47 p.m. in the afternoon. I am sitting in the airport. The kajal is going strong. The pigment is still there. It has not faded away or it has not started bleeding. Here I am with my third check-in. This is at 5 p.m. in the evening. I am about to land and I slept off during the flight. So a little bit of bleeding is what I can see. Other than that, it is still going strong. Time for my final check-in. So it's 10:10 p.m. at night now. तो ऑलमोस्ट 12 घंटे हो चुके हैं एंड लेट मी ब्रिंग यू गाइज क्लोजर. दिस इज़ द कंडीशन. मैं प्लेन में थोड़ा सा सो गई थी इसलिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्मजिंग है. अदरवाइज अगर आप देखो तो कलर जो है बिल्कुल इंटैक्ट है. इट्स स्टिल गोइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. आज मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही थिक लगा दी इसलिए थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा फैल गया है जब मैं सो गई थी. नॉट टू मच दो, बट इसके पहले मैं बहुत बार इसे यूज़ की हूँ जब मैंने नॉर्मल लाइन ड्रॉ किया है, नॉट अ वेरी थिक लाइन, एंड इट वेंट pretty strong. After 12 hours मुझे जो रिजल्ट दिख रहा है, आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड एंड द पिगमेंट इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग इन स्पाइट ऑफ वेयरिंग इट फॉर सो लॉन्ग. So as you could see, this kajal actually lives up to its claims, and you can check out the shimmer shades or the matte shades if you want. This is just for rupees 395, so the performance really amazed me. You can get it for cheaper when in discounts. That's what I did. So if you are looking for a black kajal or even a colored kajal, a matte kajal or some shimmer kajals, do check out this range from Parul Garg Beauty. I am going to rate this kajal a solid 9 out of 10. She's a makeup artist, has been in the game for so long, so my expectations from her brand was really high, and I have to say that it has lived up to all the expectations. I'm highly and definitely going to recommend these two products at least that I have tried, which is the liquid lipstick and the kajal. The price point is amazing. Whatever they are claiming, it is true to that, and this makeup line has been created keeping in mind the various type of skin tones and complexions that we have in India. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys have found it informative. Do check out my description box. I will mention every important details down below. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free. You can also follow me on Insta, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.